We're only at the end of May and I already have a lot of dead and dying material in the lawn, and it's only going to get worse as the lawn stresses out in the heat of the summer. So in preparation for the fall, it may seem early, but it's not. I want to go ahead and help the lawn break down this dead material. How? Well, the title already says it. I'm going to be using D-Thatch, liquid thatch digester. What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. I have the channel Datting All Day, and you can check that out down in the description box below if you'd like. Now is the time for you to decide whether or not you want to apply D-Thatch, because as the temperatures outside rise, the effectiveness of D-Thatch increases. D-Thatch helps with the breakdown of dead material in the lawn, which also provides an alternative source of fertilizer here in the summer months, where many of us here in the South, especially with cool season grass, are pulling back on applying high nitrogen fertilizers. Hey, if you haven't done so already, why not go ahead and hit that like button, as that's what's going to help grow this channel. And we just want to say thank you to every single one of you that have followed us since the beginning. You all are some awesome people. You will see a green up after applying D-Thatch after a few days as that dead material starts to break down, all those trapped nutrients become available to the plant. D-Thatch is available in all DIY sizes, quart-sized bottles all the way through 2.5 gallons. The recommended application rate is 6 to 9 ounces per gallon. 1 gallon covers 1,000 square feet. I'll be applying this throughout the summer once a month at 6 ounces per 1,000, May, June, July, and August. That way, this will help start breaking things down and get my lawn ready for my fall overseed. Using D-Thatch does not guarantee that you will not need to use mechanical dethatching, especially if you have a lot of thatch. If you have minimal thatch, minimal dead material, you may not need to go with a mechanical intervention as long as you stay on top of your D-Thatch applications. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, why not go ahead and give it a thumbs up, because as I said earlier, that is what's going to help grow this channel. Links to purchase D-Thatch are down in the description box below, as well as all the helpful links to the Greene County Fertilizer website, where you can read PDFs on all of the products so you can get a better understanding on how best to use them. I will see you all the next time I'm on the channel. Have a fantastic rest of the day, and God bless. I actually need to apply this, so